I need to tell you something.
Okay, what is it?
Wait, why do we say tell you but talk to you?
That's a good question.
Many English learners confuse four words: say, tell, speak, and talk. Let's learn the difference with Anna and David.
What did Sarah say?
She said the lesson starts at 6.
Good, we use say for words or sentences.
Say hello, say thank you, say goodbye. Did you tell Emma?
Yes, I told her this morning.
So tell is for giving information to a person.
Yes, tell me, tell a friend, tell your teacher.
Good. Use say for words or sentences. Say hello. Say thank you. Say goodbye. Use tell when you give information to a person. Tell me. Tell a friend. Tell your teacher.
Can you speak English?
Yes, a little.
We use speak for languages.
Speak English, speak German, speak Spanish. Can we talk after class?
Of course.
We use talk for conversations.
Talk to friends, talk with family, talk after class.
Excellent. Use speak for languages and formal communication. Speak English. Speak to the manager. Use talk for conversations. Talk to friends. Talk with family. Now, let's practice together.
Can you? English.
Can you speak English?
That's right.
Please. Me your name.
Please tell me your name.
Correct.
I want to. Thank you.
I want to say thank you.
Perfect.
Can we? After class.
Can we talk after class?
Exactly.
What did Sarah?
What did Sarah say?
Very good.
I need to my teacher tomorrow.
I need to speak to my teacher tomorrow.
That's right.
Did you? Emma about the lesson.
Did you tell Emma about the lesson?
Perfect.
I like to with my friends every day.
I like to talk with my friends every day.
Excellent.
Great job. Remember, say means words. Say hello. Say thank you. Tell means give information to a person. Tell me. Tell a friend. Speak means languages or formal communication. Speak English. Speak to a teacher. Talk means conversation. Talk with friends. Talk to family. Now tell us in the comments, what language do you speak? And who do you talk to every day? See you in the next Everyday English Explained lesson. Goodbye for now.